guys. Thank you guys. How are you everyone? I'm right back with some tutorials that is very key to each and every one of you. So today I want us to learn something about the tones. In many cases you find that keyboardists or instrumentalists, they normally play, and I'm very sure some of us doesn't know what a tone is and what a semitone is. Yes, so I just want us to start straight away. So when you look at this keyboard, we have got the white keys. We have got the white keys and the black keys. Okay. So in every bracket we have got the black and white. Okay, so if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we have got 5 black keys, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 white keys. So these white keys, you can as well call them the natural keys or the flat keys. And then the black ones, you can as well call them the sharp keys, the sharp keys, these black keys. Okay. Now, what is a tone? A tone is the distance between between 3 keys. I mean, a tone is the distance between the 3 keys. For example, we have the C, the key C here. We have the key C here. So for us to identify a tone, we are going to make this kind of movements. We are going to make this kind of movement. So it is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that is a tone. That is a tone. Okay. That is a tone. We can proceed. 1, 2, 3. That's another tone. Okay. That's another tone. Then we can proceed. 1, 2, 3. That's another tone. Okay. Yes. And then we have got a semitone. A semitone. What is a semitone? So a semitone is the distance between 2 keys. A semitone is the distance between 2 keys. So we can move it this way. We can move this way. So starting from our initial point, that is C flat. So for us to get a semitone, we are going to move 2 times. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2. So that is a semitone. That is a semitone. So why do you think this lesson is important? This lesson is important because through the tone identification will help you to identify the scale, the particular scale that you ought to use, or the particular scale that you are planning to use. Okay. So for example, for instance, we want to identify a scale within the key of C, the key of C. So we are going to name that as a C major scale. Okay, C major scale. So we are going to go this way. 1, 2, 3. So this becomes our first tone. Okay. Then we go to 1, 2, 3. This is another tone. Okay. Then we go to a semitone. Okay. 1, 2. You see? That's another tone. Okay. Then we go to a tone. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's another tone. Then we go to another tone. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's another tone. Okay. And then, so basically it should be tone, semitone, tone, tone, tone. So we are going to look for another tone, okay? 1, 2, 3. You get it? And then we go to a semitone, okay? 1, 2. Alright? Yes. But that's another lesson for another day, another time, okay? Because if you try to learn that, you're gonna be confused. What is important today is to know the difference between a tone and a semitone. So I've just said that a tone is the distance between three keys. The distance between three keys. So like 1, 2, 3. So this is D flat. So D flat becomes a tone. Okay? 1, 2, 3. So this is E flat. This is E flat. So E flat also comes a tone. Okay? Then identifying a semitone is a distance between two keys. Okay? So if we start here, we just move twice. 1, 2. So that now becomes a semitone, okay? Or a half note. A half note or a semitone. So that is our lesson today. That marks the end of our lesson today. Guys, thank you so much. So as usual, you need to subscribe if you are new. If you are watching me for the first time, you need to subscribe. You need to like, you need to comment, and you need to hit on the notification bell so that whenever I post any tutorial, you will be in a position to be notified. Okay? Thank you so much. May God bless you all.